Hey, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at the 2024 42 Cantius. The cockpit of the 42 Cantius is incredible. You'll notice the high gloss teak tables here, which are great for entertaining or dining. You do have great wraparound seating, as well as covers for all of this when not in use. Yeti cooler tucked away underneath the starboard cushion. You'll notice that I'm in the shade as we have the sun awning deployed, which is a push button. Ice maker on the port side. Moving aft on the swim platform, you do have a hydraulic platform and great storage. Come inside and let's take a look at the 42. We have a galley aft, which you'll notice you have a 2-burner refrigerator, microwave, convection oven, great storage, sink here, as well as a TV. On the starboard side, you'll notice the high gloss table, great seating with doors that open up to give you a great view aft. On the port side, you'll notice you have a great lounge seating area opposite of the helm. The helm on the 42 is amazing. You'll notice you have a carbon fiber dash, 2 multifunction Garmin displays. You have a charging port for your phone here. Joystick control with the Volvo IPS 500s. It does have hold position as well, which we're on now. You also have Rockford Fosgate stereo right in the center, and a nice opening sunroof to let in some more natural light if you'd like. The master stateroom on the 42 Cantius is forward, and it's amazing. You have your own in-suite head and shower, is separate, 2 hanging lockers on either side, great storage drawers underneath the bed, and an awesome skylight for natural light. The aft stateroom of the 42 Cantius is your second master. So you've got a great sofa here, great windows that let in a lot of natural light. You'll see the TV behind me, which pulls out and rotates towards the massive bed. You also have its own in-suite head and shower with private access, and great hanging lockers and storage for clothes. The front of the 42 Cantius has a great lounge area, pop-up seats, and it also has a table in the center that you can deploy. If you get too much sun, there's also a sunshade for the whole bow that stores underneath these cushions. Looking aft, you'll notice we have the Garmin radar system on the boat as well. Thanks for taking a look today. If you'd like to see this boat in person, I can be reached at 910-256-8100.